Go.
Okay, we just finished our polynomials and our definitions, so now we're looking down at the example. It says list the terms of the polynomial, so we're going to list our terms. My first term would be negative 5x to the 6th. Okay, my next term, do you see how it says, well, let me write out the whole enchilada here. Negative 5x to the 6th minus 4x to the 4th. I'm not listing terms right now, I'm just writing down what you have. Plus 1/2
x to the third.
Thank you. X
minus x squared plus 6.3x minus 7.
Okay, perfect. All right, there's all my puppies.
It's
now
6.3x minus 7.
Thank you. Okay, sweet. Okay, so I have a 6th degree, a 4th degree, a 3rd degree, a 2nd degree, a linear, and a constant. Okay. Now you'll notice up at that definition at the very top, each one of those terms, that a to the a sub n, x to the n, right? You see that term? Mm-hmm. That's one single term, okay? You'll notice in between all of those terms is a plus sign. That means it's all addition, all right? So you could go through and change all of your subtractions to adding the opposite to let you know what the terms actually are. Does that make sense? Like this would be adding the opposite. So my term would actually be negative 4x to the 4th, all right? My next term would be 1/2 x cubed. This is adding the opposite, so negative x squared. X squared. That's a 2 with some good imagination. 6.3x is a term, and then adding the opposite here gives me a negative 7. Now you'll notice when you're talking about term, the sign goes with it, the coefficient, the variable, the degree. Okay, that's all part of one term. They're all kind of considered multiplied together, all right? Okay, it's just one whole term, okay, all right? List the coefficients of the polynomial. Well, what are my coefficients? Well, so far I have a negative 5, negative 4. What's this one?
1/2.
1/2. That would be a negative 1, a 6.3, and a negative 7. Okay, coefficients are just the numbers in front of the variables. Some people may not consider this a coefficient because it's a constant, but the variable, even though you can't see it, is x to the 0, which is the same thing as 1. Okay? Never mind. We don't write down 1 and we don't write down x to the 0, but it's cool knowing that we're that smart. All right. Now, the degree of the polynomial. To find the degree, you get out your thermometer, you stick it in. Now, you look at it, you make sure you look at your exponents, and you go from the highest one up. So my highest exponent here was 6, so guess what the degree is? 6. This is considered a 6th degree polynomial. Okay? What is my leading coefficient?
Negative 5.
Perfect, negative 5. All right? What is my linear coefficient?
Negative 7.
Is it 6.3?
No, you're close. Think of linear as a line, y equals mx plus b.
Isn't it 6.3?
It's going to be 6.3.
Oh.
Okay, it's going to be the coefficient in front of your linear term. All right? And then the constant is going to be the negative 7.